na Kando Dzewoe na yeko akogina na mabunu ekuo bi ama ne homne so hoye Kando Dzewoe Youth Foundation we yeko yenhye abanyase na wombotaye ne so obehwe na waye ne ma ahodo bi ebeboabo mayo wompotem ho ban sebe ampewanyin se obetwe wo ho afiri ho na wo mo apa odwumadi bi ho ntoma ya wo frɛ no se ye Sanitary Pads Bank ro se bebo apa abonkoda ho ba mo osua de aduache na ampewanyin se yade a ebepare wo no
Emebunu kuo bi a ewo Kando ada wonom Youth Foundation no edi na sabre kro na emu no wonom eda Sanitary Pads Bank edi sebe ya emebunu a wonom ewo krom honom a wokosuku a wontimi ento sanitary pads no obetumi enya bi ama wonom etitiru bebre ena ko dwumade na se bi ana mahye bedwani a ogema wonom wo Kando de la soa eka ho bi amezo bright mokpokpo ena gina ekuo na namu a woni amane boni etwetwe nkomo na wadi tudwa se esane se pad bo ayedene na maya ne bi wo honom a wontimi ntonti wode eniama ahodo ena hye wonom ase wa abra wabu wonsa ebewi achi na den yarewa bebre abejae wonom so senti ena wonom edi se adwumadie yi eba se ne ebeyi a obetumi enya pad dodo na ama adesuafo no
nkola ewo ye kro no no eto de bia wo hye am na wo bi sam sade na wan square then ombeka say oh omo like their parents no omo ni scar or the better pad ema omo into so omo menstruate the whole of the 7 days omo school eya omo tnefie and so say omo ending menses na say na omo school. Like some of the teenage girls, so some of them have gotten pregnant. Until we shall now be somewhere. I know Muka say, from their parents, they don't have money to cater for them to buy them sanitary pad.
Bishop Victor Goldsmith, a presiding bishop, Ewo, Carriers Rema Ministry. Code Medina CBA and Waditu da say, Sadia Waye Kando no one more shenimu kwan say, Wabetremu akọ enkuru ahudu.
In fact, when we heard this story, we were so touched. And my ministry decided to, donate some number of packs. In fact, today alone, we have brought about 750 pieces of the sanitary pads all the way from Accra. We went to the factory to buy it ourselves, and we brought it here to help the girl child, to put a smile on the face of the girl child.